NCERT Exemplar, Class 10 Maths, Exercise 2.1, Question 6. Question. If 10 of the polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is minus 1, find the product of the other two zeros. In this question, 10 is already given as minus 1, and we have to find the product of the remaining two zeros using the relation between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Let us solve this question step by step in a very simple and clear way. First of all, we assume that this cubic polynomial has three zeros. Let these zeros be alpha, beta, and minus 1. Here, minus 1 is already given in the question. Now, we use the given information that minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial. This means that when we put the value minus 1 in place of x, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. So, we substitute minus 1 in the polynomial. Minus 1 whole cube becomes minus 1. A multiplied by minus 1 whole square becomes plus a. B multiplied by minus 1 becomes minus b. Then we add c. Now the expression becomes minus 1 plus a minus b plus c equals 0. We rearrange this expression and get a minus b plus c equals 1. From here, we find the value of c. So, c is equal to 1 minus a plus b. Now, we use an important rule from the relation between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. The rule says, the product of all three zeros of a cubic polynomial is equal to minus c. Since the three zeros are alpha, beta, and minus 1, their product will be alpha multiplied by beta multiplied by minus 1. According to the rule, this is equal to minus c. So, minus alpha beta is equal to minus c. Here, we can see that there is a minus sign on both sides. So, we remove the minus sign from both sides. We get alpha beta is equal to c. We already know the value of c, which is 1 minus a plus b. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to 1 minus a plus b. Therefore, the product of the other two zeros is 1 minus a plus b.